Experiencing a disabled Ticketmaster pass in your Apple Wallet can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're heading to an event. Understanding why this happens and knowing the right troubleshooting steps can save you time and stress. As of August 2025, there are 5 main causes behind disabled Ticketmaster passes. Let's examine each one so you can quickly identify what might be affecting your tickets. Before diving into troubleshooting, you need to ensure your device meets the basic requirements. These fundamental prerequisites are essential for Ticketmaster passes to function properly in Apple Wallet. Now let's look at storage requirements more closely. Insufficient storage is a common culprit that many users overlook. Your device needs adequate space to download and update ticket passes. Location services are crucial for Ticketmaster passes to activate properly. The passes use geofencing technology to automatically appear when you're near the venue. Let's see how to verify these settings. Now that we've covered the requirements, let's move to the initial troubleshooting steps. These 4 verification steps resolve most disabled pass issues quickly and should be your first line of defense. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of disabled pass issues. If your Ticketmaster pass is still not working after completing these steps, don't worry. There are additional advanced methods that can help restore functionality. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Ticketmaster pass issues, these advanced methods can help restore functionality to your Apple Wallet tickets. The first advanced method is to completely re-download your pass. This process refreshes the ticket data and often resolves corruption issues. Start by removing the disabled pass from your Apple Wallet. Open the Wallet app, find the problematic Ticketmaster pass, and delete it completely. Next, force close the Ticketmaster app completely. Double tap your home button or swipe up from the bottom, then swipe up on the Ticketmaster app to close it. Restart your device completely. This clears temporary files and resets system processes that may be interfering with pass functionality. Finally, reopen the Ticketmaster app and add your pass back to Apple Wallet. The fresh download should resolve most corruption issues. If re-downloading doesn't work, the issue may be related to location services. Many Ticketmaster passes require location verification to activate properly. Navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Find both Ticketmaster and Wallet in the app list. Disable location access for both Ticketmaster and Apple Wallet, then restart your device to clear the location cache. After restarting, re-enable location services for both apps, but set the permission to while using app rather than always to avoid conflicts. As a last resort, you can reset your network settings. This clears all Wi-Fi passwords and network configurations, so use this method only when other options fail. Go to Settings, General, then Reset and select Reset Network Settings. This will require you to re-enter all your Wi-Fi passwords. After the reset, clear the Ticketmaster app cache by deleting and reinstalling the app, then re-download your passes with a fresh network connection. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Here are the key strategies to avoid Ticketmaster pass issues in the future. Keep both your iOS system and Ticketmaster app updated to the latest versions. Updates often include bug fixes and improved wallet integration. Maintain a stable internet connection when downloading tickets. Interrupted downloads can cause pass corruption and wallet integration issues. Enable automatic date and time settings in your device preferences. Incorrect time settings can prevent passes from activating properly. Regularly clear your app cache and download passes immediately after purchase. Fresh downloads have fewer compatibility issues than older cached data. By following these advanced troubleshooting methods and prevention strategies, you can resolve most Ticketmaster pass issues and minimize future problems with your Apple Wallet tickets.